Where do you want to marry from?
Well, I always wanted to marry a Yoruba guy, so I love the Ekason Sam, Bawoni, Miracle.
Miracle, how you doing?
I'm doing very good, and you?
I'm okay. Yeah, you look amazing.
Thank you.
Okay, Miracle, let me ask you. What's your kind of guy?
My kind of guy is I wasn't expecting this question, but then my kind of guy is someone that is very honest, transparent, good looking, and then very hardworking.
Okay. Can you marry a guy that wants to split bill with you?
Split bill.
Yes.
Okay, depending on this percentage you raise, because I believe in sharing, contributing. So it depending on the kind of bill you want us to spill.
Damn it.
You get it?
Okay, tell us, what is the craziest experience where you don't get for relationship?
Crazy experience be say me and person day. You know, say on the online chatting, we met online.
Yes.
And then finally first time we now met physical. Then we now met, was in school, then we now met. So I be the worker pass our faculty like this.
Yes.
Guy did there. He be like say, you know, see me.
Yes.
See him pay me. So online he did active. Offline, I can't be like ghost. That one will pay me fast.
Oh my! What do you have to say about the word marriage?
Okay, I believe that marriage is an amazing thing, a gift from God.
Okay.
Like two people coming together to create a family and everything. Because I believe that the first place society starts from the family, and then the society, and then the country. So everything starts from the family, and marriage is a beautiful thing.
Wow. Okay, when looking for a good husband or a good wife, what are the things people should consider in getting the right partner for themselves?
So the thing they should consider is knowing yourself. Because if you know yourself, you know what you want. So the mistake a lot of ladies make is that they don't know themselves. And when the person comes in, it's as if they are trying to tell who they are to the person. For example, now, I know I'm an outdoor person. I'm a social lead, energy and all that. And I don't need someone that matches the energy per se. I need someone that's almost like my opposite version of myself. So that there cannot be two crazy people in the house. So one person has to be crazy, the other person has to be listening. So when you know yourself, you know what you want, you know what you attract, and then that's it.
Okay, another question. What do you think? Do you think couples should have separate rooms or the same room?
Okay, now when it comes to marriage, I believe that couples should sleep in the same room. But as a woman, you should have your own room because of your wardrobe. Your wardrobe. The clothes are plenty, the shoes, so the guy will not feel overshadowed. So the main room, my clothes will still be in the main room. His clothes will still be there. And I'll still have my own extra room for my extra clothes, extra shoes, extra bags. But we sleep in the same room. You get it?
Wow, okay.
So unless we have a massive bedroom, and then I can agree, everything can be there. But you know what I'm saying, right?
Okay.
So that's it.
Where do you want to marry from?
Well, I always wanted to marry a Yoruba guy, so I love the Ekason Sam, Bawoni, Adupe. That's it. Tribal.
Okay, wow, this is amazing. So please shout out to my fans.
Okay, shout out to Larry's fan, right?
Yes.
So keep following, keep watching, subscribe, share, like, and engage. Okay, this is the best channel to be on. I love you guys.
Wow, thank you.